big open windows, which is the swimming lake. Beautiful. So that's about 25 minutes away from us, so it's so nice. Who needs the sea? Sorry, I know you live in Florida.
Okay, so this week we are out on a trip and we have a new person with us. Say hello, Melody.
Hello.
This is Melody, one of our patrons who's joined us for the week. And obviously, we all know Ted.
Hello.
Who?
Who?
Who is
Who?
Ted who?
Yeah, the bloke who does all the work. The bloke who does all the construction work.
Anyway, we're in the car. We're on our way to Limoges. There's a few things that we need to buy for the room. Now, as you know, we like our Brocante and our reclamation yards. I think nearly everything in that room so far has either been handmade or bought from a reclamation yard, which is great. But we've got a few more things on the list to do. So while Melody's with us, joining us for the week, we thought we'd take her on a trip to the reclamation yard. And we know you guys love a reclamation yard and a Brocante. So we're going to put the two together. Off we go.
Building materials reclamation. It's not.
Oh, okay.
It's not like
Yeah.
old stuff. It's like, you know, when they've had surplus off a job or something, and they've taken, and that's where you get a lot of that. Like you get lots of pallets of tiles, and they'll do new stuff. And inside, you get lots of old tools that, that it's just kind of that. It's a bit. It's not a Brocante. It's not a reclamation yard. But it's kind of a bit of both, really. Yeah. So you can get some really good stuff. We bought all the glass, the windows, from here, the UPVC windows. We bought those 25 for each one. They're 25 euros each.
That's why I thought I'd get the fire grill here.
You might well do, yeah. But you ain't gonna get it today.
Okay, so this was our first stop, the reclamation yard. It's closed. It's the only thing you find in France is that you look on Google, it says it's open. 8 times out of 10, it's closed. And it's closed today. So anyway, we'll keep going. We'll go off to Limoges and we're going to go to Troc next. Now, I don't know if you remember Troc. We've been there before. Troc means exchange. Let me just do the window up. Exchange. And it's where people take their goods, they sell them for them at a commission. So so you get lots of different things there. You get old stuff, new stuff. Yeah, bit of everything. So onward and upward. Let's hope that's open.
It's nice.
Yeah, it's a pretty little place.
So the main aim today is to try and find a desk for the apartment and a wardrobe for the salon area where the 2 single beds are going to go, so that if we do have 4 people staying, there's an area for them to put their clothes. But it's quite a narrow space. So the awkward thing is trying to find a single wardrobe that is still within keeping with the property. It's a little bit difficult.
The desk.
No. It isn't what I was really envisage. I can't say it. However, what about that over there?
What and when?
That table, yeah. No?
It's horrible.
Okay. That told me. How much is that? How much is that?
59. What about that over there?
Yes.
269.
Oh, okay. Well, that is what I was thinking of, but we can't afford. We certainly can't afford that. But that is absolutely beautiful. I love it.
Yeah, it's perfect. Absolutely.
But it's not going to happen.
This is quite spindly and horrible.
And where's the desk to go?
In the salon area, in the bedroom. So it's gonna, you know, when you go in the door, there's that little wall that goes down. Just behind that wall there is where it's going to go. So that, that size, that sort of thing would be perfect. But we can't afford 200, 600 quid. Oh no, I didn't. But that's the sort of size we're looking for.
And that's the sort of style.
That is absolutely.
It's a little bit too small, but it'll work.
That's too tall, which is a shame. But
Well,
I really love that. I love things with drawers.
And that's 279.
Drawers, you know, like lots of little drawers.
Yes.
How much is that?
279.
Really?
Yeah.
That's a writing desk, yeah, but it's too. I don't like it. It's too modern.
No, you don't like it. Well, it's 59 euros. I was just thinking of a pint. We've got one of these, haven't we?
One of what?
Friendly blanket.
What? A blanket box?
Yeah, blanket. Yeah. It's still like a trough. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I think they call it a blanket. There was one here, but it's been sold.
Oh. Well, that's no good if it's been sold.
What about this one here? That's too big. That's too big.
That's too big, yeah.
That's not nice. And it's been sold. 249. 189 with a glass.
No, don't like that.
You don't like it?
I haven't seen the front of it, but I don't really. Oh, no.
Very black. It's
It's
perfect.
very, very dark.
Not too bad.
Oh, I'm coming. I'm coming. Actually, that's not too bad. It's quite small, but it's not too bad.
What do they want for?
59.
59.
That's.
You just have a school day. I think that would be great. Look, these are really nice, aren't they?
I love these old school desks. Aren't they brilliant?
49 euros. See, it comes with his own chair. What more could you want? And it's 59 euros. And we could redo the top on it to darken it down, but then it's not a bad colour as it
Yeah,
is.
it's not.
It's not a bad colour. It looks good to me. Where's my glasses? My glasses would make it look bent in the front.
Is it?
This is, some people say that's why you, when you create your furniture, if you've got your glasses on, mate, 'cause it's never straight. That's cool. I think that might work.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's probably our best bet. It's quite nice to have just a table. These drop ones.
Yeah, that's a bit expensive, I think.
What is?
Yeah.
99 euros.
Melody, have you found anything?
It's not perfect.
Okay, show me. Bonjour.
Where did I see it? Oh. No.
That's the only thing, you end up getting lost.
That's narrow, but it's not.
No,
Yeah.
too glass.
And then this is nice.
Oh, I
but
like
think
that.
It's probably too wide.
Too wide. Too wide.
That's a
There's
shame.
one
That's
down
really
there
nice.
That is probably not too wide.
Okay, show me.
But it's not, you know,
It's not what?
fabulously nice. Look at that.
Look at that.
Isn't that amazing?
Yeah. Yeah, you could live in it. She'd want to make an apartment out of it.
I love
not?
these. Yeah.
Scale
Beautiful,
is
isn't it?
No, don't bother. Don't even bother.
You could at least make a bathroom out of it.
Yeah, where's the shower? Do you know where the shower is? Yeah, it's in it. No, don't bother looking. It's
No.
horrible. It's horrible.
Horrible. Oh, I like this. That is gorgeous. Isn't it beautiful though?
I like the chairs. I bet they're comfy.
Sit in it, try it.
No? You feel comfortable?
Pretty comfortable. The leather's in nice
Is it nice?
A bit like that.
shape.
A bit slidey. Bit slidey. Bit slidey.
Some Velcro on your
Yeah, yeah, but on my ass. Or 400 quid.
Yeah.
Like the ones you pulled out the other day. Yes, this morning.
Similar, but they're more flat against the wall. But how much are they? What, for the set or each?
I think, well, they said it's only got one price on it, and then that's just that. It's got another price on it. Yeah, €20, with €19. Better. Can't even see it. It's nice because it's all forged. And... Oh, there's this one here on the floor.
It's nice also.
Yeah. How much is that one?
69.
They're both really nice. Could we buy them both? No, can't we?
Both, but I'm just thinking about
I'm just thinking one for one room, one for the other room.
whether that's got the right fittings for that other one you bought.
Yeah.
Because it's old. One for the bedroom,
Salon and one for the
bathroom.
bedroom.
No, for the bathroom. One for the chambre. They're quite expensive though.
Yeah.
For,
Well, they
I
are,
think,
you know, a lot of
that
ironwork
other
in
one.
that.
That's the only thing is that other one. That other one would go really nice, I think, in the bedroom. And the thing is where ultimately we are not, as I always say, we're not restoring the property, we're renovating it. If we were restoring it, we would have given up. Then we're gonna have to buy our dinner, I suppose. I'm only joking.
Okay, Melody.
Yes.
On camera.
Oh.
So, how did you
Please
enjoy
do not
Troc?
swear.
How did I what?
Enjoy Troc.
It was so exciting.
You liar.
Well, just a little disappointing,
Yeah.
that you go in with something in mind and they don't have it.
Come
but-
out without it.
Yes,
Come out without it.
or you arrive and the store's closed. So-
Yes.
As usual with
Well,
France.
it seems to be though you're obviously very lucky as far as lights go, because we found the lights yesterday. We found the lights
Right.
today.
Yeah, lighting
So-
is obviously your thing.
Week
Yeah.
for lighting.
Yes. So wasn't that successful. We didn't get any of the furniture that we wanted to get, but we did find 2 amazing lights, and one of them Melody kindly bought for us for the chateau. Thank you, Melody. Right, so we're still on the hunt for the furniture.